All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today we worked on finishing the last of this piping, and then strapping it down for the rest of the day. As you can see, the two left pipes kind of slightly go to the left. That's because right where the strap needed to be, there is the anchors for the all thread for the strut, so they're a little bit off. But then we straightened back out, tightened everything down, and here is the 4 bends right here. So we matched the ones from yesterday, and then we did the 8-inch offset today, which looks like this, which goes underneath of the stairs into the second junction box. Well, technically the first junction box, because we did the second one yesterday, but the second one was the longest, and this one that we did today, it was the shorter one. And that goes from the original junction box. So anyways, I'm not sure exactly what these are going for, but it's going to power up some new machines, like conveyor belts and all that stuff, to run this canning factory and stuff like that. So anyways, here is the second junction box, and the feet are not strapped down yet because that's what the people are doing that own the place. So we just run in the pipe and strapping it down, and they're gonna mount it to the ground. And here is where it goes underneath the stairs. And that's pretty much it. So a nice full day. Thought we were gonna leave early, but ended up taking the whole day. So anyways, that's what we did. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, actually I didn't say anything about this, but had to crawl underneath of the this platforms and stuff. What seemed like I was under there for about 2 hours in one sitting, so it was pretty painful to be strapping all that stuff down for a while. Luckily I had a little foam pad that someone offered us like a couple weeks ago, so luckily I could lay down on that, and that helped out and stuff like that, or kneel down on it. So anyways, I'm glad to be done with that job site for now. I have to go back and eventually drill the holes into the MCC to finally connect everything, because everything is piped together except for into the power source, which is like 8 inches away right above it. But other than that, we are going to a different job site tomorrow, back to the warehouse, probably with the aerial lifts and stuff like that, piping in the ceiling again. If you remember that job site, I was only there for like 2 or 3 days. Anyways, yeah, gonna go back there tomorrow, and then maybe our new job site at the end of the week or next week, which is originally what my call was supposed to be for. So anyways, finally get to that sooner or later. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Giveaway here shortly for the 8,000 subscribers when I hit that in a few days, and then check the description for anything else for my second YouTube channel, and then lastly hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.